I'm Dr. Mahrukh Ikram Shah. I have been working in RMI for 12 years and I'm heading the Department of Medical Education at Rehman Medical College. Simulation has actually surpassed a lot of things using AI, facilitating and enabling students to do and see and be able to practice those skills that are otherwise impossible. So RMI being at the forefront of starting this entire process in this province and actually enabling all the faculty, medical faculty and medical personnel in this province to establish these clinical skill centers, now moving forward with arranging these workshops on simulation. So we invite all of you to register, to be a part of this process and move forward. Join us, join RMI for participating in this wonderful activity of workshops that has been arranged by the Dean RMI and the faculty of RMI, and it will be our pleasure to have you here. Thank you very much.